The legendary Lockheed C-5 Galaxy carries its final strategic cargo mission across distant internet. After decades of service, the massive transport aircraft begins its emotional journey toward permanent retirement. The giant aircraft lands gracefully, completing an extraordinary aviation career spanning ground crews park the enormous aircraft, officially ending decades of remarkable operational military. Years pass silently as the abandoned aircraft slowly fades beneath harsh weather, and 5 silent years leave the forgotten airlifter covered with corrosion, dust, and growing. Years of neglect expose extensive corrosion, damaged panels, broken hydraulics. Experienced restoration engineers inspect the abandoned aircraft, carefully evaluating every damaged. A complete restoration project receives approval, giving the forgotten aircraft an extraordinary second opportunity. Heavy towing vehicles arrive, beginning the enormous recovery operation for the abandoned strategic transport aircraft. The enormous C-5 Galaxy slowly enters the restoration hangar, beginning its extraordinary journey toward. Technicians open the massive nose cargo door, exposing decades of neglected internal cargo systems. Overhead cranes remove the aging engines, revealing years of severe mechanical deterioration beneath protective nacelle. Advanced laser scanners inspect the airframe, identifying hidden structural fatigue throughout the aging aircraft. Engineers officially begin dismantling damaged components, marking the first stage of complete aircraft restoration. Engineers remove the enormous landing gear, exposing critical attachment structures beneath the massive airframe. Technicians disconnect aging hydraulic systems, preparing every flight control mechanism for complete rebuilding, and thousands of aging electrical cables are removed, exposing the aircraft's internal structural framework completely. The enormous cargo compartment is stripped completely, revealing the aircraft's impressive internal load-bearing strength. Only the bare airframe remains, ready for complete structural rebuilding and remarkable engineering. The first rebuilt turbofan engine returns, restoring power to the legendary strategic airlifter once again. 3 additional turbofan engines complete installation, restoring the aircraft's powerful 4-engine propulsion system. Brand new hydraulic systems restore precise control across every major flight surface and landing mechanism completely. The restored landing gear returns, preparing the massive aircraft for ground testing and future flight operations. Mechanical restoration concludes successfully, bringing the legendary C-5 Galaxy remarkably closer to. Technicians remove extensive corrosion, revealing clean aluminum beneath decades of weathered aircraft surface. Precision-built aluminum panels replace damaged sections, restoring the aircraft's original aerodynamic exterior. Protective aircraft primer covers every restored surface, preventing corrosion and ensuring exceptional paint durability. Fresh military-gray paint transforms the legendary airlifter into a factory-quality strategic transport. The fully restored C-5 Galaxy proudly emerges, ready to serve future generations through extraordinary missions. All 4 rebuilt engines ignite successfully, awakening the legendary giant after years of complete. Every flight control surface moves precisely, confirming flawless hydraulic and electronic system performance. The restored aircraft accelerates confidently, validating steering, braking, and engine performance across. The legendary C-5 Galaxy lifts gracefully into the sky, completing an unforgettable. Successful flight testing officially returns the legendary strategic airlifter to operational service with complete. The restored C-5 Galaxy loads humanitarian supplies, preparing for another life-saving. The mighty airlifter flies confidently above endless oceans, carrying vital humanitarian supplies. Emergency supplies reach disaster survivors, demonstrating the aircraft's renewed purpose through compassionate global. Once forgotten and abandoned, the legendary giant proudly serves future generations with unmatched reliability. Every successful mission proves restoration can transform forgotten legends into enduring symbols